My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got 2 orange pearl dunks that came in the mail today, and we also have foam runners. Whoa, this is weird looking. Next up, we have Kobe's dropping on Undefeated. I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up. Oh, I got 2. Another processing. Got it. Oh, just got another one. Alright, that was insane. Ended off the day with 5 checkouts for Kobe's and a Jordan 1 UNC in the GS sizes. Insanely successful. I did hear that. Today, Jordan 5 Toro Bravos are going to be dropping. I'm only going to go for around 10 to 20 pairs because we do have Jordan 1s dropping next week, so I kind of want to save up for that. But anyways, we'll see how many of these we get. What year did MJ win his first NBA? 1991. Oh, I just got one. Let's go. So that's the first checkout for today. We got size 10.5. Alright, so what the heck happened there? So basically throughout the entire drop, I was being interviewed by a documentary team, which is being hosted by a famous actor. And therefore I was not paying attention to the drop at all other than the initial Shopify release. And that's also why I have to keep the live cop brief because I'm not sure how much I can actually publish of what's going on behind the scenes in terms of the documentary. With that being said, I feel like I could have gotten more if I was able to tweak my setup during the release, but I'm not going to complain. I was able to check out 9 pairs without really having to do much. And I've heard that this release was kind of a pain in the butt. Would have been dope if I could have gotten more, but it's all good. Today we have a few minor releases. The main ones that I'm going to be going for are these dunk lows. Chances are I'm probably not going to get this, but I'm going to be trying my best. Alright, well these dunks were, as I predicted, very limited. And they only dropped on Nike sneakers. I was also going for the Jordan 1 lows on Tauro, however I did make some critical mistakes as far as my setup is concerned, but it's not that big of a deal. The last drop for today is going to be an ALD New Balance collaboration. I do expect these to be a little bit difficult to get, but hopefully we don't end off the day empty-handed. What is this? I'm gonna try manual, see what shows up. Page not found. Hello? Is any of this working? Okay, let's try this one. Oh, okay, dude. They have it totally wrong. The question didn't even show up here. I thought the question is select your size, dude. That's literally what it says. But it's not even letting me submit the question manually. So I'm gonna stop. what I'm talking about. Whatever anti-bot thing goes up usually, it's just trash. We didn't need this, dude. I didn't even get past this page. Alright, well, that's that. That drop was horrible. Alright, let's see how these look. Wow, this shoe really pops out at you. Not personally much of a Jordan 5 fan. The only ones that I really like are the Trophy Room 5s. Red shoes, like all red shoes, are pretty dope, but not exactly my personal taste. But nevertheless, this is a very classic shoe. Iconic colorway. A little bit later today, we have an extremely important release. We have Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. Now, we have no idea what's going on with the stock numbers for these. Foot Locker's Twitter guy is like saying they're delayed, they're not delayed, they're delayed, but you can order them, and then after that's gonna count as a pre-order. I don't know what's going on. It looks like a total mess. That's why I'm going to predict that there's actually a really good chance that we end off the day without getting anything. However, I did prepare as best as I could because we need to get as many of these as possible.
Just take your fuss, let this 40 on my lap, and your slime, I know that, when I'm aiming at your cat, say I'm this, say I'm that, but I'm Thanos when I snap, yin and yang, when I bang, if you shoot her, we shoot back, say I can, and I will, glasses tinted, men in black, pop a pill, keep it real, knock his less out like a sack, what's the deal, sign a deal, don't need
calculating taxes, submitting order, processing.
I'm 16 with this new
please. Yes, I got one.
He gon' catch his hands if you come to my section. Boy band, One Direction. You ain't on shit, so why you flexing?
Another one. Let's go. 2 right off the bat.
Me, bitch, who you testing? By my side, keep Smith and Wesson. And you know that bitch go. Yeah, this gun real loud. Yeah, it be too crazy. Wait. Shh, keep it down. Cause I'm tryna go in.
Ooh,
fuck the price I spend. All this money on you, little mama, see the let's get it in.
Alright, like what is you doing? I f your so she's in my ruin. And she said she ain't fluent. I hop in the fight, so let's get our hold away. Oh shit, she carry my strap when it dies with a fit. I pull it with 9s, a banana to clear. Yo bitch, I'm a llama, she down for the clear. Just take your fuss, let this 40 on my lap, and your slime, I know that, when I'm aiming at your cat, say I'm this, say I'm that, but I'm Thanos when I snap, yin and yang, when I bang, if you shoot her, we shoot back, say I can, and I will.
That Jordan 1 release was very interesting. I ended off with 5 pairs. I wished I got more, however, I'm not gonna complain because at least I got some. Now, this was a release that got so many botters upset. Long story short, there were 2 bots that had some sort of secret sauce where basically they took a huge majority of the stock. So the 2 bots were Knight and Nebula. They left all the other bots in the dust. Like straight up, no other bot was even able to compare. And as a result, there were a lot of people who made all these crazy investments, spent a lot of money and time into their setup, and ended off the day without any checkouts. So that's why looking back on this release, actually 5 pairs for me is actually really good. All in all, the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal release is going to be a day that's going to be remembered by a lot of botters who went for this. Anyways, next week is actually really packed with releases. We have South Park Adidas shoes, we got some Jordan 1s, we got some Dunks, we got some New Balances, and we have Yeezy 700s. All of these coming up in the next episode. As part of my 100th episode celebration, I did mention that there will be goodies for you guys, especially for existing and aspiring resellers and botters. Go ahead and go to the link on the screen and it will bring you to a Discord invite link which will expire in about 1 hour from the time I'm publishing this. So if you're watching this as a premiere, then you've got plenty of time. Go ahead and read the welcome channel and stand by for further instructions. Thank you everyone for your support. 100 episodes in and I plan to keep it going. Good luck on future releases, and if you're joining the giveaways, good luck on those as well. I'll see you in the next one.